So let's discuss about the English syllabus. This is my handwritten notes, which is visible in your screen. So here it is written parts of speech. Okay, in English there are 8 parts of speech, and all the 8 parts are mentioned here. Then after we shall study tense and translation. If your English is native language, that means your mother tongue, you need not to read the translation. If you want to learn any other language, then you can translate that part. Okay, but I am here only teach you the English and Hindi also, because I understand Hindi very well. Okay, then we shall study voice and narration. Voice and narration both are completely dependent on tense and translation. Little bit related to pronoun and other part, but parts of each bit. But remember, it is completely dependent on tense and translation. Then we shall study classification of sentences and transformation of sentences. Transformation means we shall learn to convert simple to compound, compound to simple, compound to complex, complex to compound. This kind of transformation we shall study. Classification of sentences, that means you study two types of. One is the affirmative, then interrogative and negative sentences. When you study simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, okay, exclamatory sentence, optative sentence, imperative sentence, this kind of. We shall study all these kinds of sentences in this chapter. Then after we shall study figure of speech. This is the literature part, but we can cover here. Okay, I shall try to cover also the English literature, but after teaching the English grammar. Either I start parts of speech or tense and translation. I along with these, I also teach you a vocabulary. Okay, and without vocabulary you can't speak English properly, you can't understand English properly, you can't write English properly. So you will have to study vocabulary, and from the beginning classes. Okay, I'll write some kinds of the vocabulary categorization: synonyms, antonyms, homonyms, contronyms, heteronyms, palindromes, one word substitutions, idioms and phrases, and word power. Word power means any other kind of the word. Okay, and last one, 1 minute, wait. Here is the also I want to mention you one thing, that is the composition. Okay. After reading English grammar, you need to comprehend the English language. In composition, we learn the letter writing, we learn the precise, we shall learn essay, okay, we shall learn unseen passage, okay. If I am forgetting something, I shall give you the complete scenario in the composition. Remember one thing: when you study the grammar of English, you need not take tension about the syllabus. Okay, I make such kind of the video which will be helpful for you. Okay, so remember it. If you have, I understand this is my handwritten notes. Sometimes you don't understand. Sometimes you don't get the proper visual part. Okay, so I'll type in a word and give you. Okay, so this is the final. Okay, and slowly I start the classes, and thank you so much.